Hey guys, so today we are going to talk about identifying the parts of an algebraic expression. So we're going to fill out the first two together and then I'll leave you on your own. So let's take a look at number 1. We have 11n plus 3 minus 8y minus 4n. Our first step is to box our train. So we want to put a box around our whole expression. And we want to start at the caboose and box in our different terms. So when we go to define our terms, remember a term is a single number, a single variable, or a number and a variable that are separated by addition or subtraction signs. So our terms are 11n, 3, negative 8y, and negative 4n. Now, our like terms are two or more terms that have the same variables that are raised to the same power and can be combined. In this case, our like terms are 11n and negative 4n. Our coefficients are a number that multiplies a variable. So remember, it's our number in front of our variable. So we have a positive 11, we have a negative 8, and a negative 4. And then our constant is a value that does not change, and it's a term without a variable. So our constants is just positive 3. All right, so number 2, we have x plus 5y minus 6x minus 3. We're going to box our train, start at the caboose, and box our terms. Our terms are x, 5y, negative 6x, and negative 3. Our like terms in this case are x and negative 6x. Our coefficients, when we just have a variable by itself, we put a 1 in front of it, so this should be 1x, and then that makes our first coefficient a positive 1, and then a positive 5, and a negative 6. And then our constant is just negative 3. Pause the video and try the next 9 problems by yourself, and then hit play on the video to check your answers.